Hey, do you sometimes want to make a little change to your clothing that isn't going to be permanent? You just want to do it for the day, or maybe you've lost a button and you don't have time to sew it on, but you need to close where it is because you need to wear that. That happens to me all the time. So I was super happy when the brand gifted me this little stitch gun. What it is they're little plastic stitches. It just makes little stitches anywhere into your clothing, so you can make those last minute quick little changes that are easy to reverse, not permanent, and so many things you can do. So say for instance you have lost some weight and your pants are suddenly too big, you could put just gather it in the back and put a quick little stitch in the back to keep your pants just that tighter. If you had a skirt that you wanted to wear in the evening and it's super long and you wanted to gather it up on one side so that you could show some leg and just have sort of an asymmetrical design, you just gather it up however you want to have it and throw a little stitch in, and nobody will see it. It'll just look like a different skirt. So I'm just going to show you here. I've done it on this one collar. I've just pinned it down. So sometimes I don't like it when my collars stick up when I am wearing a blouse. So you can just put your little gun through there and you just click it and, oops, sorry, I didn't do that. You just put it through, click, and stitch, and it is done. So now you have, I'll show you here, you've just got a little stitch on there. It holds the collar down. Great, great device here. It also, so these are little clear plastic stitches that it makes. It also comes with black ones. So, and it comes with a bunch of different needles here in different sizes. So great little tool. Have fun with your clothes. Make a few changes that are easily reversed. You got to try this out. Thanks again to the brand.